Hey guys, it seems like everybody's playing Fortnite at the moment. And I was looking for some LEGO Fortnite stuff, and of course there isn't any, because the Fortnite franchise is not something that LEGO is probably likely to start anytime soon. It's more suited to the Mega Bloks brand, and I wouldn't be surprised if we see something like that come out in a Mega Bloks set very soon. And until then, we can try to make our own LEGO Fortnite equipment. So one of the things you'll need when you're playing a LEGO Fortnite is a LEGO Fortnite Glider. Now this one here is as best I could come up with the pieces that I had. Now you see the top here is not quite connecting, and that's because we're just using these angles here. I just wanted to create some sort of a canopy sort of feel. And I also didn't have enough pieces, so I had to use this aqua blue, which isn't fantastic, but overall I think it turned out okay. I was pretty happy with this mechanism here. The canopy is something I just couldn't figure out with the pieces that I had, and LEGO don't really come to the party with good pieces for canopies like parachutes. So do you want to see how to build this LEGO Fortnite glider? Well, let's do this. Okay, so these are the pieces you'll need to build the LEGO Fortnite glider frame. Just using one of these small ladders here, and we're using a lot of these robot arm pieces, or skeleton pieces I guess. And we're just going to start by putting two over here, like that, and we'll just use one of these bars, and we'll just connect them up like that. So that's the edge of the glider. And we're going to go ahead and do that to the other side too. And pop the bar on like that. So that just creates a basic frame here. And I think I like that. Even though that's not covered in, it still looks pretty cool. Now we're going to go ahead and put in a holder so the minifigure can hold on to the glider. So we're just using these robot arms again, and we're just going to use a couple of these pneumatic T-pieces. And I'm just going to pop that one on there like that, and that one on there like that. Whoops, take that off, and pop that on like that. So as you can see, that's sort of like pretty cool handles. If you had them in different colors, that would be awesome as well, because in game it's a little bit different than grey. But as you see, we can just tilt the minifig's hands so they're inwards like that, and now he's holding onto the frame, which is pretty cool. So now we're going to attach the canopy. We're going to use these little spanners here and pop them on like that. Okay, so we've got 4 spanners, and then we're going to use these half bushes. Now they're just going to pop on like that. Now it's not the best of LEGO fit, but they'll stay on, and that's the main thing. Now the reason why we want these is so we can then attach this to some real LEGO pieces. So let's go ahead and do the canopy. Okay, so these are the pieces we'll need for the canopy. It's a 2x6, and we're just going to put a 1x4 and a 1x2 here like that. And then we're going to use one of these curved pieces here. Now if you don't have the 4 version, you could just find 4 of these 1x versions and use them instead. But I do have a 4x here, so I'm going to use that for now. Now I'm just going to put a couple of these little wedges on here like that. We're just trying to build up the angle of the canopy. And then I go ahead and use one of these 2x, looks like a half curve. And that's just going to sit up there like that. So that just gives us a little bit of a canopy sort of profile. And then we're going to use these 1x2 jumpers, and they're just going to sit in about there. So just towards the end, but not quite. So we'll go ahead and make another one of those. Now, as I said, I didn't have enough of the blue pieces, the dark blue, so I'll just use a couple of these just to show you how it works. Now, these are the 2 canopy pieces, and now we go ahead and get our frame. And they actually just click in here like that. So that sits in, and that's actually quite solid. Now we have to go ahead and put the other side in. And again, it just sits in like that. And it should just sit in like that. Alright, so that's our two pieces of the canopy, and they join together and make a canopy for the LEGO Fortnite Glider. So what do you think of this idea? Do you think it actually worked out okay? Can you come up with a better idea for the canopy? I thought about just using a plain plate, but the dimensions didn't really work out the way I thought. But it's still pretty cool for your LEGO Fortnite character to glide in to the game. So if you like this idea, please like and subscribe. And if you want to see more LEGO Fortnite creations, well, let me know in the comments below. And until next time, it's bye for now.